If you want to create this effect, here's my image on the timeline. First, I'll apply a black tone. Go to the color section and set vibrance to -100 and saturation to -100. Click on the shape icon and select the pen tool. Move around 10 seconds forward, then draw a rough curved line like this. You can adjust the nodes one by one based on your design. I'm just drawing a basic shape for reference. Scroll down and you will find multiple presets. I'm selecting Sparkle. Increase the radius slightly. Set the zoom start node to around 0.70. This will make the line wider at the start and narrower at the end. Set feather to around 20. You can choose any color you like. Adjust the intensity as needed until it looks right. Now let's animate it in trim path. Move the pointer to the start, enable keyframes for both start and set end to 0. Move to around 3 seconds and set end to 100. That completes the basic line animation. You can create many styles of lines exactly like this. Let's add a more creative look. Move a few frames forward and set start to 100. This creates a tail line. I'll tweak the values further until I get the exact look I want. Your background might be different, so feel free to adjust yours accordingly. If you want, you can also add an element on the line. Go to Path Follow, open the presets, and choose any element. Then click Link. Here's a quick preview. You can see the pulse dot following the line perfectly. I'll delete it because a star type element fits my project better. You can even add any custom image like this. Now it looks much better. Stretch all these layers forward a bit. Duplicate the background and align it with the end keyframe on the upper layer. Reset the color settings. Go to AI Matting and enable Smart Cutout. I will draw a rough mask around this tree. Precise cutout isn't needed here. Slightly increase edge thickness and edge feather, then apply. Go to Transitions and add a dissolve transition on this layer. Keep the duration minimal. As you can see, this creates a unique effect. For extra detailing, go to Effects and search Light. Choose any. I will pick this one. Then search Particles and select this one. Apply the same dissolve transition to both and match their durations with the previous layer. Trim all layers and remove the extra parts. Now convert everything into a compound layer. Add a keyframe at the beginning under Transform, then move to around 7 seconds and slightly increase the scale and adjust the position. As usual, set the keyframes to ease in. Now add suitable sound effects. In the audio section, search Magical and just skip 10 frames. Then drag this Magic Light Release 1 and trim the silent part. Then add another one called Opening Act and trim extra BGM. Move the pointer to the transition moment, place it one layer down and drag in Magical Bell Gliss 1. This fits perfectly. Now check the final preview. If you want more creative tutorials, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which feature you want next.